Okay, page 5 or 7, we are going to describe the hexagons. Okay, what is a hexagon has to have? I'm gonna ask, let me see, I think I have Tomás. What does a hexagon has to have? Like how many sides? Let me see if I can- Tomás, I'm waiting. You need to be ready. Because this is just telling me that you're not ready. And you're not at the screen.
6.
6. Yes, thank you, Tomás. A hexagon has to have 6 sides. Let's trace this hexagon and make sure we have 6 sides. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's another thing that a hexagon must to have? Tomás, what's the other thing that a hexagon have? How do we call the corners?
Vertices.
Uh-huh. Yes. How many does a hexagon has to have? We know it have 6 sides, but how many vertices? Do you want to count them with me? Ready? There's 1. I didn't hear you, Tomás. 1, 2. Is that your microphone, Tomás, or someone else's? How many vertices, Tomás? You had it, or we should count them together?
6.
You think it's 6? We know 6 sides. That's what you tell me, and we count them. Let's count the vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, Tomás, you were right. It has to have 6 vertices. Okay. That's how we can describe the hexagon. It must to have 6 sides and 6 vertices. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay. For this, we need to place a counter on each of the corners or vertex. Ready? I need Emilio's help. How many vertices do we have in here, Emilio? Can you help me count? There's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 vertices. Okay, let's write the number. 6 vertices. Don't forget to put the mark on all of the corners or the vertices so you can get all the points on your homework. Okay, how many sides? Can you help me count the sides?
Yes.
Okay, there's
1, 2, 3, 4,
sides. Let's write the number. Now we know that a hexagon has to have 6 vertices and 6 sides. Okay, thanks, Emilio. Okay, we're gonna go to the next page. In this page, we need to draw and color a hexagon. Okay, I'm gonna ask, who also was there? Maggie, if I wanted to draw a hexagon, how many sides do I need to make?
6.
6? Okay. Now help me count, just to make sure I'm doing it right. You must have 6 sides. There's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thanks, Maggie. How many vertices in it?
6.
Help me count. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep. 6 sides. 6 vertices. Okay. If you did draw your hexagon already, can you just color it? Because it says draw and color the hexagon. So draw your hexagon and color it. I'm gonna choose red. Oh, didn't get it. I'll choose red. I'm gonna color my hexagon red. Remember, everybody must be following so we can finish together. Okay, just a couple seconds for you to finish, and then we're going to the next page. Okay. Ready? Page 550. Okay. Okay, we're gonna draw some shapes and you're gonna tell me what shape it is. Okay, I'm gonna draw a shape that has 3 sides. Let me see if I have it right. 3 sides and 3 vertices. And I'm gonna ask Ayla, what is the name of this shape?
A triangle.
A triangle. How many sides does a triangle have?
3 sides.
How many vertices?
3.
Good job, Ayla. That's a triangle. Thank you. Now I need to ask Petra, if this shape have 4 sides of the same length and 4 vertices, what's the name of that shape?
A square.
Thank you, Petra. Yes, a square. And why is a square?
Because all sides are same.
Yeah, because all the sides are the same length. Thank you, Petra. Excellent. 4 sides, 4 vertices, the same size. And I'm gonna ask, what do I have there? Naisea, this shape have 4 sides, 4 vertices. What is the name of this shape?
It's a square.
It's a square? Okay. What does a square has to have? Did you see the one that I just drew? A A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. And the shape that I drew has 4 sides, 4 vertices, but 2 of the sides are longer than the other 2. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. What's the name of the shape? It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
A rectangle.
A rectangle, yes, Naisea. Remember, the square has a 4 sides and 4 vertices, but they're all the same length, same size. A rectangle has 2 sides that are longer and 2 sides that are shorter than the other. Thank you, Naisea. I'm gonna ask Beth, what's the name of this shape? Oh,
Circle.
How many sides does a circle have?
2.
A circle have sides?
For how you draw it, yes.
Beth, let me try it again. I know it's not a perfect one, but does a circle have sides? How do we call the line around the circle? How do we call that?
0.
0 sides, but it's a curved line. Has curve.
It's a curve.
It's a curve, has no sides, and the name is?
Circle.
Circle. Thank you, Beth. I'm trying to do my best on writing with my computer. It's not that easy. Thank you, Beth. Now I'm gonna ask, who else do I have there? Let me clear this up. And if I want to draw a shape that has 6 sides and 6 vertices, what is that shape? What is the shape's name? I'm gonna ask Desmond. This shape has 6 sides, 6 vertices. I'm trying my best, okay? What is the name of the shape? Have 6 sides, 6 vertices. Desmond, what is the name of the shape? On what shape are we working on today? Did you know the name? Desmond, I can't hear you. So I'm gonna skip you. So Jesus, I see that you get it. Can you tell me what's the name of this shape? Have 6 sides, 6 vertices. What is the name of the shape?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Excellent, Jesus. Yes, that's the shape we're working on. Must to have 6 sides, 6 vertices. Thank you. Now I'm going to my next page. I have to click all this stuff so I can go to the next one. Oh, and this is your homework. For homework, you are going to be practicing to draw and describe the hexagons. Remember, how many sides does a hexagon must to have? Can I draw a hexagon if I only draw 4 sides? And 4 sides, is that a hexagon? I'm gonna ask. What else I have? Sadie, is that a hexagon?
No, it's not a hexagon.
Good job, Sadie. Yeah, it's not a hexagon. A hexagon must to have 6 sides and 6 vertices. Okay, so you need to draw a hexagon and then you need to count the vertices and count the sides and write the numbers. Okay, and this is your homework, page 551 and page, to close all this stuff, 552. Same thing. You need to count and place a counter on each of the sides and write the number. And then you write the number. Place a counter. And then write the number. And number 2, you have that total the cubes. Then you have some cubes in color gray and some on white. So how many gray cubes in here and how many whites makes a total of 9. And number 3, you need to circle the number that is greater. Is it the 6 greater than 7 or is the 7 greater than 6? Yes, make a circle around. Okay, let me see. Oh, and that's all. Those 2 pages are your homework. Page 551 and 552. That's your homework.